Okay, so we're going to do a third and final video, and it's just going to be our final example of the FOIL method. So again, you've definitely learned this before. It's just been a while, so we're trying to just get back into the hang of things. So this is basically distributing, but I want to make sure that that term gets multiplied by each term on the other side. So the reason why we do first, outside, inside, and last is because each term in the first binomial has to be multiplied by each term in the second binomial. So notice this x in that first example got multiplied by the first x and by the 5. It did both of those. This positive 2 in that first binomial got multiplied by the x and the positive 5. That way I don't leave anybody out. That's the whole reason FOIL was kind of just created, so that people didn't forget to multiply any of the terms. So we're going to do the same thing just like we did last time. So we're going to start with first terms for FOIL first. So my first term in this binomial is 2x, and my first term here is 3x. So I do 2x times 3x, which is going to be 6x squared. Because remember, not only am I multiplying the coefficients, but I need to multiply the variables. So a note to make is that x times x is x squared. X to the third power times x is x to the fourth power. X to the second power times x to the second power is again x to the fourth power. Notice that what I'm doing here is I'm doing my exponent rules where I add the exponents. So in this first example, this is x to the first and x to the first. This one has 3 plus 1. This one has 2 plus 2. Okay, sorry, I just got sidetracked. I wanted to make sure that you remembered that. The next thing that I'm going to do is outside terms. So the furthest outside term is this 2x and this negative 5. So I do 2x times negative 5, which gives me negative 10x. Okay, make sure that you hold on to the symbol in front of each number so that you know whether or not you're dealing with positive or negative numbers. The next term that we're going to deal with is our inside terms, so the terms that are closest together. That's this positive 1 and this 3x. Positive 1 times 3x is the same as positive 3x. And last but certainly not least are the last terms, FOIL. So the last terms are 1 is the last term in the first binomial, and negative 5 is the last term in the second binomial. So positive 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. And then I combine like terms just like I did before. So I get 6x squared, because there are no other like terms, minus 7x minus 5. And that's because when I have a negative 10x and a positive 3x, negative 10 is a bigger number and it's negative. So I end up with a negative answer. Okay. All right. Please ask questions if you are confused. I can go over any of these together with you.